After spending 4 days in Dubai, we decided to take an excursion to Abu Dhabi and visit Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. This happens to be one of very few mosques that allow non-Muslims to visit. Alright, family and friends, we are at the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi, and we are entering right now on the escalator. I am so excited, I can't wait. Oh! I absolutely love how the decor of the building matches my wife's attire. We have just entered the mosque, and a young lady did not have her hair covered, and there was somebody at the front who made her cover her hair. She's right in front of you with the green on right here. She did not have her hair covered, and they politely asked her to cover her hair. So inside the mosque, it is very, very important for you to follow their customs and the regulations and rules. Right, honey?
Yep.
So my wife, she already knew because we did so much research before we got here. She covered her hair and she is in good grace. So I'm filling out this form in order to gain access, an access card in order to enter as a visitor.
I'm sorry. Taking photo and taking video in this area.
Okay, thank you, sir. We just learned that there are no videos or pictures at the security checkpoint. Okay, we are going up another escalator, you guys. I think we're getting very, very close to the main mosque. We are at Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. This is one of the fewest mosques that allow non-Muslims to visit, and I am so excited. We put on our full Arabic regalia to play a part in this historical event for us.
We've been walking for a couple minutes now, and we finally made it.
And now I want you to gaze your eyes on what I am currently looking at right now. Take a look, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this beautiful, beautiful mosque. I've never seen anything like this. Not to mention, this is our very first time coming to a mosque, but what an entrance. We are a few weeks away from their celebration of Ramadan. April 2nd, Ramadan begins. And this is nothing short of amazing, ladies and gentlemen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on this. Say hi to the camera, honey. Would you just look at this entrance? This looks like a soccer stadium. It's so big. Watch your step, Lila, watch your step. Did you see that? Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque is a colossal place of worship, big enough to accommodate over 40,000 visitors. The largest mosque in the United Arab Emirates and the third largest in the world. Check out all these domes. There are actually 82 in total of the entire mosque. The tall columns are called minarets. The main prayer hall can hold more than 7,000 worshippers, and there are 2 smaller prayer halls with a capacity of 1,500 each. Did you know 100,000 tons of Greek and Macedonian marble were used in its construction? This masterpiece cost 2.5 billion AED. That's also 680,698,150 US dollars.
This is so nice and pure and white. I love it.
Construction for this project started in 1996, and it took 12 years to complete. You would think a mosque of this magnitude only had Arabic influence behind it, but that's not the case. The creation of Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque was a collaboration between construction companies from around the world. Italian engineers Salini and Pregolo led 3,000 workers from 38 contracting companies, while artisans from India, Germany, Egypt, Turkey, United Kingdom, China, and Pakistan all lent their skills.
Wow. It's just breathtaking, stunning, amazing. Earl went back to do a panoramic photo, and now he's rushing to catch up to me.
We gotta get it on the right side. Come on, man.
How's the weather, honey?
It's hot out here, but I ain't thinking about that right now.
Look how large it is.
You're looking at the acres of gleaming white marble.
So we just learned that you're not allowed to do any hand gestures, even as simple as pointing. I was pointing at the photo that is in the photo section, and I was told that we're not allowed to do that. Okay, so they're very strict on the rules, and you must follow, or you probably get kicked out.
Now, I'm not sure if they did that just because she was a woman versus a man. I'm not sure, but I think there might have been some biblical scriptures in the book that she was pointing at, and maybe that has something to do with it. I'm not sure, but we'll do some more research and let you guys know, okay?
Just turn around.
The mosque has 6 frosted chandeliers made from twinkling Swarovski crystals and 24-karat galvanized gold hang from the ceiling. This chandelier is in the main prayers hall. The main prayers hall's carpet, the world's largest, was hand knotted by 1,300 Iranian craftsmen using New Zealand wool. It was so heavy that it had to be dismantled, flown in on 2 different airplanes, then restitched on arrival. As you gaze your eyes on the beautiful architecture, please note that visitors are not allowed to walk beyond the rope to the far right.
Look at that beautiful chandelier. Huh?
What a humbling experience, ladies and gentlemen. I've never been somewhere with this much architecture and grace, and I'm just lost for words right now. To the truth be told, this place is nothing short of amazing, like I've been saying all this trip since being in Dubai. I am so excited that we finally got to the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. And if you're ever in Dubai, you gotta take this pilgrimage to come to Abu Dhabi.
It is definitely a sight to see.
This was the best part of today, aside from spending time with my wife. This clock will always be a reminder that we visited Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque on the 24th of March 2022. Here's another view of the main prayer hall, the beautiful chandelier that it boasts, and the world's largest carpet below.
We just finished the tour. Now we are sitting in the free taxi, waiting to go back down
To the bus, to the shuttle area.
To the shuttle area to meet with our group and hopefully had to go get something to eat.
I'm starving. I haven't eaten since breakfast.
My stomach is
It's been a
growling.
long day so far.
Yeah, but well worth it.
Well worth it. This couple here is about to hitch a ride with us. Come on board. If this is your first time at Brenda's World, welcome. We thank you for taking time out of your busy day to look at our vlog. If you are returning to Brandon's World, we thank you for your continued support. Whether you've watched one of our vlogs or all of them, we appreciate you. Please hit the subscribe button and support our channel. And make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when all of our new videos drop. So my wife and I were under the impression that even the men have to dress in proper Arabic attire, but that's not the case. As you can see here, men are here and they have on plain clothes, regular clothes, but the women, every woman has to cover their head with something. They don't have to have on the abaya like my wife is adorned in, but you have to have your hair covered.